Hi there, Dave Broad from BetaView here. A question we often get asked by our customers is, are our products Australian made? So the answer to that is yes, it's something we're very proud of. We're accredited with the Australian made logo. All the materials are locally sourced from Australia, from Australian suppliers, and are made in our factory here in Sydney, in St Mary's. Another advantage of us manufacturing locally is we can provide a short lead time, both for supply and installation and supply only. It also assists us if there is a problem, perhaps with a sizing. For example, a builder may have forgotten to order a window, or there may be an issue on site. We're allowed to remanufacture a replacement window at short notice. The other advantage of us manufacturing locally in our own plant is that we have full control of the production of that product and the product quality, which allows us to deliver a quality product on time, every time. Another thing that we're very proud of here at BetaView is our 10-year complete peace of mind warranty. So any one of our products, whether it's supply only or supplied and installed, is backed with a 10-year complete peace of mind warranty. So if there's any issue over that 10-year period, it will be rectified free of charge.